coming to the mailbox. Did you know that you are an amazing creation and that we need to thank God for that? There's a verse that goes like this: I praise you, Lord, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Isn't that great news? Did you hear something? I think I heard something. I think the box just moved.
Happy birthday to me.
This could only mean one thing. Mr. Tweeters must be here. Should I open the box?
It's my birthday!
Oh! Good morning, Mr. Tweeters!
Don't you mean good morning and happy birthday?
Why, yes, of course. Happy birthday, Mr. Tweeters. Boys and girls, can you tell Mr. Tweeters happy birthday?
Sing!
Sing?
Sing to me. It's my birthday.
Oh, we would love to sing to you. Let's sing happy birthday, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Tweeters. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. It seems like just yesterday I was popping out of my egg. Now look at me.
You are an amazing bird.
It took many years to get this way.
Oh, well, how many years?
Well, let me think. Carry the two. 5 long years. But, you know, in bird years, so I'm like a lot older.
I see, Tweeters. Hey, tell us about the day you were born.
Oh, well, I spent a lot of time inside my warm and cozy egg.
You did?
Yep, it was safe and dark. I had my eyes closed. It was quiet.
Hey, everyone, let's pretend we're little birds inside an egg. Can you wrap up your knees in your arms and close your eyes?
And then I started to feel a little squished.
Oh, wiggle around a little.
Then I decided, I've got this pointy little thing right on my nose. I could use that to peck the egg.
Oh, make your hands turn into a little beak, can you guys? And let's peck, 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 peck.
After I pecked a little bit, all of a sudden I heard a crack. And then I spread my wings out as far as I could and stretched.
With me, everyone! Crack! And spread out your wings!
Everything was really bright and wonderful. I could smell things. Feel a breeze in my nest.
I'm sure it was exciting, Tweeters.
Yes, and very cold.
Oh, it was cold?
It was all gooey, and then the breeze hit me and I started to shiver.
Oh, Tweeters, what happened next?
My mommy used her soft, warm feathers to warm me up.
Oh, that's perfect.
She was the first one to see me the day I was hatched.
Oh, Tweeters, your mommy must love you.
Yes, she does.
That sounds wonderful, Mr. Tweeters. We're really glad you were born.
Birthdays are very special. Who here has a birthday?
We all have one every year. Do you have a birthday? Raise your hand if you have a birthday.
Oh, I love life.
So do we. We are so thankful for life every day.
It would be lonely inside my egg forever.
Yo, I think it would be too. But you know something, Mr. Tweeters?
What?
You weren't alone inside your egg.
What? Wait, was I double yolked?
No, Mr. Tweeters, you weren't double yolked. You weren't a twin.
Wait, so who was there?
God was.
Really?
Yep. He knew you when you were inside that egg, and he knew you before anyone else did.
Even my mom?
Yep. And he knows.
He knows my birthday.
Yes, he does.
He knows the color of my beak.
Yes, he does. Where are you going, Tweeters? Yes, he does. And he knew you before you you were hatched. And he knew that you would have an orange beak and feathers and this little yellow tummy.
Wow, that's amazing.
God is an amazing creator.
He sure is. Look at me. I'm spectacular.
Yes, you are.
So when I celebrate my birthday, I really should be praising God for the fantastic job he did when he made me.
That's right, Tweeters. He made you.
It's just too bad.
Well, what's too bad?
I feel sorry for all of you.
Well, all of us? Why?
Because you don't get a chance to hatch.
Oh, Tweeters, we don't hatch like birds. Well, we were in our mommy's tummies instead, and while you were growing all these beautiful feathers, we were growing arms and legs. Wave to Mr. Tweeters, everyone. Show him your arms.
Oh, so you did hatch.
Yes, Tweeters. We call it being born.
Wait, so were you alone inside your mom's tummies?
Well, Tweeters, God was with us too.
He knew you?
Yep, before anyone else did. God knew us. He made each and every one of us too. He knew some of us would have brown hair and some of us would have blue or green eyes.
We all are amazing creations.
Yes, we are.
Oh, I almost forgot my very special day that I have a very special delivery for you.
Well, we will wait, birthday bird. Oh, I'm excited to see our special message today. Wonder what it'll be.
It's a birthday ball and a bomb!
Okay. Mr. Tweeters, thank you for this message. Let me read it. You silly bird. Do you know what, friends? It says, I praise you, Lord, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. That's great news on your birthday, Mr. Tweeters.
Yes, it is.
Well, we sure have a lot to be thankful for, don't we?
We sure do. I'm going to thank God for my life all day today.
That's the perfect thing to do on your birthday.
It's time for me to go now. I think I have some birthday cakes to eat.
Well, what's on top of it, Mr. Tweeters?
Instead of sprinkles, they put bird seeds on top of it. Delicious.
Oh, enjoy, Mr. Tweeters. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Say happy birthday to Mr. Tweeters, friends. Oh, aren't we glad God made him? And boys and girls, you should thank God that he made you too. Goodbye, friends. Thanks for watching.